As you see guys, that Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Bitcoin couldn't manage here to stay above all-time high and do exactly like how it done in 2021. And also we tell you that in yesterday video. Plus we told you 110k we got level of Bitcoin option, and as you see it, Bitcoin is closed at 107k. That way guys, us every Saturday we show you the levels of Bitcoin options to be question of them and to take you warning from those levels. By the way, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes. And know you can do it, so please my friend, if you haven't smashed that like button, go now, smash the like button, write down a comment, tell me your thought about Bitcoin, what you thinking. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give long-term swing trading and day trading signals. As today guys, we close our long swing trading. We've been holding a long in Bitcoin, we close it. We've been holding a long in the Ethereum. As you see it, I close it in some profit here. I close the XRP, I close it in losses guys. As you see it, $30 compared to the profit I make from it is nothing. And I close the Sol I make from it about $1,000 here, 262 losses. It's okay, that are part of the game. You need to give some profit, that's what us we doing. So we close out those ones, and also we are very transparent with you guys. When something red we share it, as you see it here, and when something green we share it. Even other guys, they are with us, they try to share their own trades here. I told them no, only trades us we enter together. Now what else we open? As you see it guys, we open the 3 trades here, all of them. As you see them, we open a short in the XRP, a short in the Ethereum, and a short in Bitcoin. Very transparent with you guys, and we don't hide nothing from you. So if you want to join us and you want to benefit in like that from long-term swing trading and day trading signals, no matter which type of trader you are, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video, and in the first comment, click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon, click at join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links are down, and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the Bitcoin, he showed us something very bad today. He couldn't stay above all-time high and very quickly go back. That bad sign here, look at it, even that uptrend also used to have here. Now we are in the border of it. In 4 hours we break a trend, that way also enter that short. I'm going to show you everything when we reach in there. But here in the daily, now we got here a big inside bar guys. Let me show it to you. Because that inside bar now, if we break it, the one here, exactly, you see that red candle here, you came to the top of it and the lower of it. The view of me now, Bitcoin is going to make another correction, maybe to here or something like that, for us to add to our short. That possible guys. Second scenario, there is no correction, and from here we're going to see a dumping. If people they started selling quickly, we're going to see it very hard dumping, because majority of retail traders are bearish those days, and it might that pump will happen here, just a trap to trap you. But you focused about weekly candle, which is going to close tomorrow. What is going to tell you guys, if it closed like how is it now, just sell the Bitcoin you hold. If you are from those people, they selling. That's the only things I can tell you guys. So here, that's what we got now. We got something else here. Let me show it to you, which is that one here. You remember what else we said about that one here? We said when we touch extreme overbought area, we need to sell. People there with me, they know that. We buy from extreme oversold and we sell at extreme overbought, and that one is not a normal RSI guys. As you see it, it touches here. And now he enter again to a zone or came below 70 level. That very bearish guys. But we got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here? That one, everything's still looking bullish here. But us, we're taking question of us guys, because in 4 hours Bitcoin telling us is going to dump. Maybe it's going to dump to that 20 moving average, which is exactly at 103k. That's possible. From 107k to 103k or 102k is a lot of money guys, and also we don't want to leave that money out of the table. That way also we try to catch that short, and we will see what's going to happen in the coming days, because that 20 moving average is representing checking that uptrend like that and the weekly candle how it's going to close, guys. If the weekly candle close like how is it now, because now the weekly candle is it like that, it's giving us like a indecision or a doji or name it whatever you want, and then if it closes like that, it's indicating that the top, so you need to be careful about those things what I'm telling you guys. I think I explained everything. Now let's go into show you Bitcoin options, so let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin options. Past Saturday or when Friday candle closed, we show you that two levels. We told you the low 93k and the top 110k. We managed to close above it before Friday candle close, and that red candle is it Friday candle. Look at it, guys, as if those people they don't want the Bitcoin to break that level here. Now let's do it even for that week. To know those levels, we need to look close at them for that week. So let's go in there to see it, guys. Here we are at the page where we're getting those things. As you see, the coming Friday is going to be the end of this month, 30 of month 5. So let's try to find in those levels. We found the pots, then the calls. So let's doing that. Here we are, guys. We found the level here, which is exactly at 99k. As you see it here, that's the level for pots. 99k, the total volume here, 127 Bitcoin, the number of calls 0, the total volume here, $13 million. So that one is the first level, 99k. Let's find in the level for pots, guys. Here we are, guys. We found the level for pots here, 125k, the number of pots 0, the number of calls here, 130 Bitcoin, the total volume here, $13 million. So that one is the level, guys, 125k. So as I told you, the low 99k and the top 125k. Now let's go into the chart to drawing those things together. Here we are, guys. We set the total level like that, 125k, as you see it, and we set the low here, 99k like that. So those was the levels, guys. As you see then, that when the Bitcoin it will not fall down to 99k and will not break it and will not past 125k, that means the view of them Bitcoin is going to go more higher. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. So those ones the levels, guys, for all the week. Remember that when you touch any level of those ones, if we touch that one, enter a long. If you touch that one, enter a short. I think I explained everything to you. Watch my view personally. My view is Bitcoin is going to make a correction at least to 102k, 100k, and from there we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. I think I explained everything to you. Now let's going to see Bitcoin when doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here Bitcoin in 12 hours is going to touch for us that 20 moving average, which is exactly here at 105k, or maybe that very stronger zone here, that one here. Let me tell you the level here exactly at 103, 438, or maybe even that level here. We're going to touch it here because it's a very stronger based on volume profile here. As you see it in front of you, we got another level down here at 93k, but based on Bitcoin options, they said Bitcoin will not break 99k. Also, we're taking all the sides and we will look at them. Now the levels, you need to look close at them for today. Let me show it to you. Levels, we still have the same levels, guys. We have that one here, 108, 570. We got that level down here, 102, 603. And we got that one above here, 115, 640. So those ones the levels for today. In the weekend, majority of the time, retail traders, they pushing the Bitcoin down. Then it came BlackRock, they push it higher. But now there is a correction going to happen, guys. All where no one know. Based on a lot of factors, as we just show you, it's going to fall down to 99k. Let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming days. Now we're going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum also used to have here that uptrend like that. As you see, that candle here, it closed below it. That way also we enter that short and we aiming maybe the market is going to fall down just to here, to that low here. As you see it in front of you. Possible we are going to fall down here. That's our first take profit. If it fall down there, we're going to take some of the profit here and we're going to let it to run. Another very important thing, if it fall down there and breaking, guys, look at it. We're going to give you here a big double top, and that very bad, guys. If that happen, we're going to see the Ethereum dumping very hard. That for short. For long, guys, it might even that one to happen. The Ethereum to fall down to test down here and to come back to give us here like that, like a flag. Even that one is possible, guys. Maybe the Ethereum going to fall down here, then after that to pump. Even that one is possible. If we are going to use it based on Wyckoff, also we are now in a distribution zone, but we haven't broken either above or down to tell us which direction is going to take based on that Wyckoff pattern. We got something else here in the Ethereum. Let me show it to you, which is the one here, guys. You see the Ethereum, he couldn't manage to break the 200 moving average. We touched it the first time with dump, and now we touch it here with dump, guys. It's hitting for us the first take profit of yesterday of us. So we enter from down here till there. Now the view, the Ethereum is going to fall down to test the 20 moving average, which is exactly 2411 or 2411. And we're going to see if it's going to give us the double top as we show you. If that happen and we break in the neckline, we're going to see the Ethereum dumping, guys. Levels, you need to look close at them. That one here 2411, that one here 2076. You can even add that one 1979. So those ones the levels. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, it couldn't manage to break. It gave us now a big divergence here. Now what the view? At this time when us we're recording that video, we stay in here in that zone where there is no trading, and let's see if it's going to manage to break and to enter down to the zone where the bears the control is going to dump till extreme oversold. And then also we're going to see what's going to happen at that time. It looks like it's going to dump, guys. It gave us here a downtrend like that. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. Now let's go in to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Sol here. Also, we stay in here waiting, that one to be broke. If we get in bracket here, we are going to catch a short. Even that one here, we try to cam that one here. Even that one, we haven't break it yet. That way also, we haven't entered yet in the Sol. We're still waiting, but the Sol couldn't manage to break that last high here. That way also, we're still waiting, guys. Still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours. Either we're going to enter a short and we're catching a short from here. Same thing apply here to the Sol. If the Sol going to give us here a big double top like that, and that's going to be very bad if we fall down and we break in here. Second scenario, the Sol going to do for us like that, guys, like a distribution level that when we touch here we are going to fall down to test here, then after that we pump. Even that one is possible, and also we're going to catch it no matter where it goes. The only things, if you want to join us, you need to be someone who know how to control his emotion, guys, because that number one thing, because me, I'm dealing with traders every day, exactly retail traders. I see a lot of errors, guys. I see a lot of errors, like someone, he buy the Sol from here, he see it here, instead to leave that one here, no, he add them from here, so he make his entry from down here, he make it to go above here, then the Sol fall down like that, he be in losses. A lot of errors. That way, me, I told you guys, if you want to join us, before all that, you need to know how to control your emotion. That's the only things I can tell you. We got something else here in the Sol. Let me show it to you, which is the one here, guys. The Sol couldn't manage to break the 200 moving average again. Same like the Ethereum, it's falling down now to where? To 168. Then from there, we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. Only thing now here, the Sol, it looks like it's going to break here, that uptrend here. But that one in daily, guys, we need to wait more to see what's going to happen in the coming days. I think I explained everything. Now let's go in to see our indicator what it's saying today. Before we reach to see our indicator, what we got here in the Sol, guys, you see it here? We got here now like a triangle here. You see it? Very clear triangle. If it's getting broke above here, that's when the Sol is going to go more higher. If it's getting broke here, the Sol is going to dump. But also we're still waiting which direction it's going to take. Let's see now our indicator. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we still have here a bearish divergence here, like that, very clear bearish divergence. What shall we do? We need to wait, guys, which direction we're going to catch. If we break in here, the lower of that triangle here, you need to catch a short, my friend, and to go with it till extreme oversold area. So I think I explained everything about the Sol here. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin is doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here in Bitcoin, we still have here that uptrend like that, as you see it. But also we haven't entered base on that one. Also we enter base on a small uptrend from the tail of that one, and that one, as you see it, is getting broke here. That way also we enter that short I just show you. Now that one here, like that. We're still waiting at the Bitcoin to fall down to test it here, and we're going to see what's going to happen there. Now my view, there is a correction going to happen now for me to get a better entry, guys. That's what me I do every time. Why me I enter from here when I know there is a correction going to happen? Because it happened to me here, guys, exactly here. I used to have here a downtrend like that, and that break will happen here. I've been waiting for a correction, and that correction doesn't happen, and look what the market done, guys. That's why me I enter from here. If it make that correction, I'm going to catch it. If is it from here going to dump, I'm going to go more down with it. Now here what you got, you can even come and do something like that, guys. You see it here, even that one here is a megaphone. Maybe the Bitcoin going to fall down to test the lower of it here, and we will see what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. We got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? You see it, Bitcoin here in 4 hours, it breaking the 20 moving average. Now the view is going to fall down to test here the 50 moving average, which is exactly at 106,203. That number one scenario. Second scenario is going to go back to test here the 20 moving average at 109,232 for me to get a better entry. Then after it's going to dump. That's my view personally. That's what me I do every time, guys. Let's wait and see how it's going to go. Me, I don't lose, guys, and people there with me, they know that even if it goes above, I know how to manage to come out in that trade without losses. If you want to join us, as we told you that we're going to teach you a lot of techniques, guys. You will not find it nowhere, as we don't just give you signals, as we teach you how to manage the risk. But it's up to you. Maybe you find 25 bucks expensive, and also we are going to increase it some, guys, because there is only for a certain number of people. Then after that, the prices, they are going to be very, very expensive for anyone to join us. Only some elite people to join us. But it's up to you. Now let's going to see our indicator what it's in today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, we show you in yesterday. We told you guys, look at that big divergence here. You see it or no, guys? Very big divergence here. If you come and you do it like that, and that one here to that one here, you see it, and that one here to that one here, you got a big divergence, guys. The only place now we're still holding is that one here, that wall as we got here in the middle. It's still holding. Let's see if it's going to be broke. If we break it, we are going to fall down to extreme oversold area. Second scenario, from here we're going to bounce again to above. Even that one, it's possible, guys, because it happened a lot of times. And look how many times also we used to have here a divergence, and even today it happened here a divergence, but we fall down just to that wall here. Then after that we pump. Even that one is possible, guys, but now we got a bullish divergence in 30 minutes. Let me show it to you when we're reaching there. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, also yesterday we show you here that triangle. If you watching our video, is getting broke here. Me, I don't want to enter a short. I tell it to the people they follow me. I told them anyone want to enter a short, he can enter a short. Look at it, they enter a short. Some guys, they enter a short, they catching a short here. Yeah, I don't want to enter a short. That's why me stay away. Even here, it used to be that uptrend like that. We show it to you, and that the uptrend, why also we enter that short, but it doesn't look like that in 4 hours. Now here, what is it, the view? The view here, look with me, there is a downtrend like that, guys. And that downtrend, if it's getting broke here, try to catch a long, the long to where? Maybe to here, that low here, 1,900, and maybe even to here, guys. Closer to 1,000. Closer to 112k. Then from there we're going to see what's going to happen. Me personally, I'm thinking there is a correction to 109k. Then from there we're going to see what's going to happen. Now let's see our indicator to tell you why me I'm looking there is a correction. In our indicator, guys, as you see it, we got here a bullish divergence like that and like that. But guys, there is something very important here. If you're looking with me here in 30 minutes, what you got? A big head and shoulder, guys, and it's breaking here the neckline. But based on the divergence here, there's a correction maybe to here or something. Plus we got here now the downtrend like that of the divergence, because that the downtrend of the divergence will pushing the Bitcoin that down. How we going to catch it? We need to wait in that one. How it's going to react to it? That RSI here when it touches. Then also we're going to make an entry based on that, because even if me I enter a short swing trading, if I got a long day trading here, I'm going to enter. So it's going to be like a hedge for my short. And for day trading also we enter with bigger orders. Swing trading we enter with very small orders. That's different here, guys. It's a part of money management. I can say those things here in YouTube. If you want it, you can join us. So That's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment, and if it's possible, share that video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. In another video, guys. Bye for now.